Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
This week, we have 4 power-packed webinars lined up for you. First, at 10 a.m., we have Idea Series, Should You Do a Lump Sum in Large Cap? In this webinar, we shall discuss the stability and growth potential in large cap. At 11 a.m., we have 2 webinars, one on quick commerce, the future of retail. In this webinar, we shall explore the business models powering Q-commerce. The other one is exclusive for women, the power of lump sum investing, accelerating your wealth creation. At noon, we have Decoding Myths of Mutual Fund Investing, in which we shall discuss the myths and realities around mutual fund investing. The links are given below in the description. Register now and join us on Saturday.
In today's video, we're going to talk about dealing with investment anxiety. Many of you may have noticed that the market has been pretty volatile in the last few weeks and you've had sustained drawdowns. Even though the broader market has not really corrected, what you're seeing is that specific stocks have fallen quite a bit. So while the index is not representative of what's really happening to investors, it's something that is now creeping into the investor mindset. They are worried about their returns because when we embark on this journey as investors, we often have certain expectations, either in terms of how smooth this journey will be, what direction our investments will go, or what returns we might earn. So when these expectations are not met, investors begin to doubt themselves. So one is, if they expected, say, a 15% return, but they're earning only a 12% return, that shortfall can actually be a source of investment anxiety. On the other hand, if an investor's portfolio is actually doing badly, they might start wondering, maybe I should have just put that money in an FD and left it. I would have definitely done better than what this market is doing for me. The third source of anxiety can be when an investor feels that, yes, they were ready for some ups and downs, but these downs are going on for too long and they are too big. So when we look at negative returns that are sustained over a period of time, that also creates a lot of anxiety for the investor that they need to cope with. Now, of course, one solution is to take out all of your money out of the market and just forget about it and put it in an FD and feel secure about what you're doing. This addresses the first problem of dealing with anxiety, but it does not address the core issue of actually creating wealth. So the investor actually needs to balance both of these things together, and we can create wealth while dealing with anxiety if we follow a more guided and structured approach. So one way to do that is to actually come back to the table and look at the investments that we've made, reassess them in terms of quality, in terms of potential, and in terms of risks. When we do this, we get a clearer picture of what we should keep and what we should restructure. If you want a more comprehensive solution on how to restructure your portfolio, you can check out our video on what a portfolio review actually entails. If you like this video and you'd like to know more about how you can create wealth in a manner that manages risk effectively and returns effectively, subscribe to our channel and we'll be happy to help you.